If you're like me, your Apple Watch is not charging to 100%. So I figured this out. It stops at about 80%. And here's how you can fix that. First, you're going to tap on the crown on the side of your watch and you're going to get to the apps. We're going to go to the settings. So scroll down a little bit till you find settings and then tap on that. Inside of here, we're going to scroll down a little bit till we see battery. So Apple has this like smart optimization for battery. Once you find battery, looks like this here, just tap on that and you'll see mine was stuck at 80%. Scroll down a little bit and tap on battery health. And inside of battery health, you'll see optimized battery charging. So what you want to do is toggle that off. And then for me, I'm going to turn it off completely. Now that is going to turn off this battery health optimization, which stops your watch at 80% instead of going all the way to 100%. So if you're charging your watch at different times, like Apple's supposed to learn your charging behaviors and then make sure it's 100% charged when you normally would want it. But I've found that because sometimes I'll sleep with my Apple Watch for sleep tracking, sometimes I won't. So when I charge it, it'll get stuck at 80%, even if I charge it overnight. And that's pretty frustrating. I don't mind it for my phone. It usually gets charged fully, but I'm going to turn that off on my Apple Watch. And that is how you can get your watch to charge all the way to 100% without stopping at 80%.